everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Telegram not sending the verification code on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings on your iPhone, then tap the cellular, then toggle the cellular data on. Tap the cellular data and enable the data roaming. Go back to Telegram and request the verification code again. Then adjust the iMessage settings. Open your settings and scroll down to Messages. Toggle iMessage off. Then wait for a few minutes, turn on the iMessage again. Then open the Telegram and try requesting the code. Next, open the settings, then go to Messages. Scroll down to Message Filtering. Tap Unknown and Spam, then toggle the Filter Unknown Senders off. Go back to Telegram and then try again. You can also use a VPN to request the code. Open your settings and then look for VPN. Toggle the VPN on and connect a different region. Open the Telegram and request the verification code, and then to install and reinstall the Telegram, press and hold the Telegram app icon, then tap Remove App and then delete it. Then go to App Store or reinstall the Telegram and open the app and then try logging in again. Now, you should be able to receive the verification code without any issues. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.